When it comes to managing diabetes, choosing the right fruits can make a significant difference. Stick around because in just a few minutes, you'll have all the juicy details you need to make healthier choices and live your best life. Here are 10 fruits that are generally considered good options for people with diabetes. Number 10. Plums are rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps in preventing rapid spikes in blood levels after eating. Number 9. Apples. An apple a day really can keep the doctor away. With their high fiber content and various antioxidants, apples are a perfect snack for diabetics. Just remember to eat them with the skin for maximum benefit. Number 8. Cherries. These sweet and tart fruits are not only delicious but also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help with insulin resistance. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a guilt-free treat. Moving on to number 7. Citrus fruits such as oranges and lemon. These fruits are rich in vitamin C and fiber and are relatively low in sugar. Number 6. Kiwi fruit. Don't let their small size fool you. Kiwi fruits are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They also have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. And now for number 5, pears. These juicy fruits are not only delicious but also rich in soluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Eating a pear can also make you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Are you enjoying these fruity facts so far? We're just getting started. Now let's dive into the top 4 fruits for diabetes. Number 4. Pomegranates are renowned for their rich concentration of antioxidants, including polyphenols, flavonoids, and vitamin C. These antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, thereby supporting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic disease. Number 3, peaches. Not only are peaches delicious, but they're also rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber. Eating peaches may even help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. And now, the runner-up at number 2, avocado. While technically a fruit, avocados are often mistaken for vegetables. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The number 1 fruit for diabetes is berries. That's right. Berries take the top spot because of their incredible health benefits and low glycemic index. So, whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, make sure to include these superfruits in your diet for better blood sugar control. And there you have it, the top 10 fruits for diabetes. Remember, eating a variety of fruits, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, is key to managing diabetes and living a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living well. See you next time.